In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 in Australia. To get started, sign into your OpenAI account. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the tools you want to use, since availability can depend on your plan and regional rollout. Once you're signed in, head to the official Sora website or open the Sora app as long as access has been enabled in Australia. When you arrive, take a moment to confirm that your account actually has access to Sora. This is important because some features may only be available to certain users at first, and in some cases, you may need an active ChatGPT subscription. If you don't see the tool right away, that usually means access is still rolling out rather than something being broken. Once you're inside Sora, click Create or New Video to begin a project. This is where the actual video generation process starts. You'll be asked to enter a prompt. And this part matters a lot because the quality of your result often depends on how clearly you describe what you want. Try to be specific about the subject, camera angle, lighting, mood, and overall style. For example, you could type something like a cinematic drone shot of Sydney Harbor at sunrise, ultra realistic, 4K, gentle waves, golden lighting. A prompt like that gives the system much more direction than a short phrase would. After entering your prompt, adjust the settings if those options are available on your version of Sora. You may be able to choose the video duration, aspect ratio, such as 16.9 for YouTube, 916 for vertical content, or 1:1 for social posts, along with resolution and visual style. These settings help shape the final output, so choose them based on where you plan to publish the video. Next, generate the video and give the system a moment to process everything. Once it's ready, preview the result carefully. Watch for whether the motion looks natural, whether the scene matches your prompt, and whether the framing works for your intended platform. If the result isn't quite right, edit the prompt or regenerate the video. Small changes in wording can lead to noticeably better results, so it's normal to refine things a little before you get the version you want. When you're happy with the final video, go ahead and download it or share it directly, depending on the options available in your account. That's it. That's how to use Sora 2 in Australia.